so here I am adjusting the valves with the engine running. We have from the front, we have an exhaust, and then 2 intakes, and an exhaust, another exhaust, 2 intakes, and so on. If I slide my feeler gauge up into between the tappet and the valve, if the clearance is right, it'll suck it right in and have slight drag. If the clearance is too tight, I can't get my feeler gauge in there. So I take my tappet wrenches and I get in here, and this one is too tight, so I want to shorten this tappet up a little bit. Turn it in just a little. Recheck it with my feeler gauge. It'll go in now, but it's still a little snug. Get the right end of the wrench. Snug it down a little bit more. Now the feeler gauge slides right in, just with a slight drag. Good to go.